Hi guys, welcome to my video about the Victorinox Alox Pioneer in purple. It's an awesome piece, I really like it, and it's only 50 times made. So it's really hard to find. I found one some time ago and it's one of my favorite pieces. The difference between a special production knife and the standard silver Pioneer is only the color, and there's an engraving on the main blade. There were only 50 pieces made in 2011, and it's the number 11 of 50. It's one of my favorite pieces and I really like it. It's basically the same as a standard Pioneer. So the main blade, the can opener, the bottle opener, and the so there is no difference between the tool combination of a silver Pioneer and the 50 production Pioneer. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description. Have a nice day. Bye.